Welcome to our channel Shazim Creations. In this video I will going to show on how to make rooftop city manipulation. So let's start. Thanks for watching our new tutorial. Please stay with us. Firstly, open your image. Then select pen tool for cut your image. After full selected, then mouse right click and make selection. Now press Ctrl Alt R for refine edge. In this refine edge dialog box, make sure to smooth to and output to new layer and click on checkbox remember settings. Then OK. Now open your background and move your image to this background. Select Move tool or press V. Press Ctrl T for resize your image. Hold Shift key and drag from corner side for equally resize. Then press Enter. Now select Smudge tool, use on your face. Now select the Erase tool for erase any area. Please follow me on Twitter Shazim Creations. Now select Burn tool for black any area and make sure to opacity low. Now select your image layer and go to Filter and select Camera Raw Filter for color correction, and follow my work. Select your top of the layer and press Alt-Ctrl-Shift-E for apply current image. Select this layer and go to Filter, then NIG Collection, then Color FX Pro 4. Now select on Cross Processing Filter and desire your filter for your image more fantasy. Now apply color balance and photo filter. Follow my work carefully. Now go to image, then image size for increase image size. Thanks for watching our full tutorial. I hope you like my tutorial. Please like, comment and please share our videos. Thank you so much for stay with us. See you next tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel Shazim Creations.